In the introduction, you greet the viewers and introduce your YouTube channel, Hack the Matrix. You emphasize the importance of ethical hacking in today's digital world, where cyber threats are prevalent. You provide a brief overview of the video's content, which is focused on career paths in ethical hacking, intriguing the viewers and setting their expectations for the rest of the video. Introduction to ethical hacking. In this segment, you define ethical hacking and explain its significance. You highlight the differences between ethical hacking and malicious hacking, emphasizing the importance of ethical considerations and adhering to legal boundaries. To showcase the positive impact of ethical hacking, you present real-world examples where ethical hackers have helped organizations identify vulnerabilities and improve their security posture. First, need to develop skills and knowledge required. This segment focuses on the essential skills and knowledge needed for a career in ethical hacking. You discuss the importance of programming languages, networking, and operating systems, as they form the foundation for understanding and analyzing vulnerabilities. Additionally, you introduce security frameworks and concepts like cryptography and secure coding practices, highlighting their relevance in ethical hacking. You emphasize the need for continuous learning and staying updated with emerging technologies in this fast-paced field. Second one is certifications and education. In this segment, you delve into the certifications and educational pathways available for aspiring ethical hackers. You explain popular certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, and Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, and discuss their benefits in demonstrating expertise and enhancing career prospects. You also touch upon formal degrees in cybersecurity or computer science and highlight the availability of online courses, boot camps, and self-study resources as alternative educational options. Third one is about career options and roles. Here, you explore the various career options in ethical hacking. You introduce roles such as penetration tester, security consultant, or incident responder and provide an overview of the responsibilities associated with each role. You showcase different work environments, such as government agencies, consulting firms, and private companies, to illustrate the wide range of opportunities available. Furthermore, you discuss the increasing demand for ethical hackers in today's cybersecurity landscape and provide insights into potential salary ranges. Fourth one is building a successful career. In the final segment, you provide tips for building a successful career in ethical hacking. You emphasize the importance of gaining practical experience through bug bounty programs, capture the flag, CTF, competitions, and internships, as these activities allow individuals to apply their skills in real-world scenarios. You also encourage viewers to build a strong professional network and engage with the ethical hacking community through forums, conferences, and online platforms. Additionally, you provide guidance on creating a personal brand and developing a portfolio to showcase skills and accomplishments, which can help differentiate individuals in the job market. Conclusion and call to action. Conclusion. Throughout this video, we have covered the fundamental aspects of ethical hacking, including the skills and knowledge required, certifications and education options, different career opportunities and roles, and strategies for building a successful career. Ethical hacking is not only a challenging and intellectually stimulating field but also one that offers ample opportunities for growth and advancement. By acquiring the necessary skills, pursuing certifications, and staying up to date with the latest industry trends, you can position yourself for success in this dynamic domain. Whether you choose to become a penetration tester, a security consultant, or an incident responder, the demand for ethical hackers is continually increasing, and the potential for a rewarding career is immense. Remember, ethical hacking goes beyond technical expertise. It is about upholding ethical standards, acting responsibly, and protecting the digital ecosystem. It is essential to always prioritize legality and ethical considerations in your work as an ethical hacker. As you embark on your journey into the world of ethical hacking, continue to learn, explore, and engage with the vibrant ethical hacking community. Participate in bug bounty programs, solve capture the flag challenges, and build a strong professional network. By continuously honing your skills, developing a personal brand, and showcasing your achievements, you can differentiate yourself in the competitive job market and open doors to exciting career opportunities. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of career paths in ethical hacking. I hope this video has provided valuable insights and guidance for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, and share your own experiences and questions. Together, we can continue to hack the matrix, ethically and responsibly, making a positive impact on the cybersecurity landscape. Stay safe and secure.